Comment ça va, everybody? Today we're going to cook a squash au gratin. I'm going to start with 4 tablespoons of butter in this big skillet. Turn that on about medium there. Get this melted down. All right, let's let that melt and go over here and start something else while that's melting. So we already got 4 squash sliced about 1/4 of an inch. We're going to add 3 shallots in here. Go ahead and dump a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper. Get this mixed up in here. Doesn't really matter that much. It's going in that skillet back there. All right, let's go see if our butter's melted. All right, our butter's melted. Let's see if we can get this stuff in here without splashing that hot butter anywhere. Ooh, that's a lot in this skillet. That's my biggest one. Yeah. Jeez, look at all them shallots up in there. We're just going to kind of saute this down for about 10 or 12 minutes. And then we're going to add the rest of the stuff in. Throw it in the oven. All right, it's time to add the garlic in. A little more. Get that stirred up in there. Cook it for about another minute or 2. All right, 2 minutes are up. Now we're going to go ahead and put 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. And we're going to cook this roughly 10 or 12 minutes. Let's just kind of thicken up a little bit. Get it incorporated in there good. Oh yeah, all up in there. Get yourself down there. Turn this fire down just a little bit. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and dump a half cup of shredded or grated Parmesan cheese and a cup of breadcrumbs. I'm gonna get this all mixed up in there. All right, so now we got that all incorporated in there real good. So we're gonna add another half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese over here. Looks pretty well. And another cup of breadcrumbs. A lot of breadcrumbs. This thing's making noise. All right, we got our oven preheated, 450 degrees. And we're gonna drop this thing down in there like that. And we're gonna cook it till it's golden brown. Okay, we turn the oven off here. Pull this thing out. Yeah, almost too done. But I had to go outside and straighten my gate up with the tractor. All right, let's get a plate and see what this stuff tastes like. Well, That's enough. Ça, c'est bon.